Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet this beautiful floral granny square step by step. This is perfect for blankets, cushions, or any creative crochet project. It's beginner friendly and I'll guide you through every stitch. Grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is considered as one double crochet. Create 2 double crochet into the ring. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops. This is called a double crochet. Another double crochet. In fact, I'm having 3 double crochet right now, considering the 3 chains at the beginning. 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochet into the ring. Chain 2. 3 double crochet into the ring. Chain 2. 3 double crochet into the ring. And chain 2. Close the ring. I have 4 clusters made of 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and chain 2. Slip a stitch into the third chain. And for a slip stitch, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the yarn. Pull this yarn through the loop on the hook. Round 2. I'm going to reach this space, the first space here, or the first corner actually. So slip a stitch into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the yarn, pull it through the loop. Slip a stitch into the next stitch and slip a stitch into chain 2 space. Now I'm at the corner. Chain 3. 2 double crochet into the ring. In fact, I have 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3. My first corner is created. We don't need the stitches, so go to the next corner straightly. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into this corner. Repeat the pattern into the next space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. and the same process into the last space. At the end, slip a stitch into the third chain and fasten off. Round 3, make a slip knot and join the yarn into one of the corners. For example, I'm joining it here. Join it with a slip stitch. Chain 3, 2 double crochet into the space. In fact, I have 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. This is my first corner. Now go between the clusters. We don't need the stitches. Into the space between the clusters here, create 3 double crochet. Into the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Into the next space between clusters, 3 double crochet. And repeat this pattern. Into the corners, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, and into the sides, 3 double crochet. At the end, slip a stitch into the third chain. Slip a stitch into the next stitch, slip a stitch into the next stitch, and slip a stitch into this corner. Now I'm ready for round 4. Round 4, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Three double crochet into the space between the clusters here. And 3 double crochet into the next space between the clusters. And into the corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. And repeat the pattern by the end. The corners, 2 side spaces with 3 double crochet in each corner, and repeat until you reach here. At the end, slip a stitch into the third chain, slip a stitch into next stitch, and next space. Round 5 is similar to round 4. Chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet in between clusters. And just repeat this pattern by the end. I will have 3 clusters here on this side, then corner, cluster, 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 corner. See you at the end. On the top of the first double crochet, insert the needle and go back to the last double crochet. This is my last cluster, this is my last double crochet. And on top of it, at this center, insert the hook. It's so neat. And now you can hide your tail. For moving from one corner to another corner, there are two ways. You can fasten off the yarn here and create knots at the back side, or you can use the back side stitches and move toward this corner. Get here on this side, I've moved from the back loops here and here and here, and as you can see, it's not clear from the front side. Let me show you how. For example, I'm here and I want to reach this side. I'm taking back loops and these loops and moving slowly. Then one loop from this back side and from here. Do it slowly. And I need to come here. And now I can continue creating leaves on this side. The Floral Granny Square is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet projects. Happy crocheting!